Dent Schoolhouse is consistently rated one of the best haunts in Ohio, and we are gonna take you inside to see what Charlie the janitor's been up to this year. They have changed all kinds of stuff here for the 2023 haunt season. The whole ending scene is totally different. We can confirm that there are over 8,000 skulls down in the basement. So as soon as you get to the front of the line, they'll take your picture back here on the green screen. You got a chance to get those back in the Midway. And right after that, we come into this fall festival area. They got all these carnival booths, super classic Halloween, just fall fest themed. It's wonderful. They've got a big monster out here. They got this big pumpkin wall. All the lights change colors and flicker. It is beautiful. And just for full disclosure, this is only gonna be about half of the show. So if you wanna see the full show, be sure to come see Dent in person.
I don't have a pumpkin.
What do you mean?
Because...
How many years in a row have you brought me a pumpkin? And this year you forget?
Yeah, we gotta...
Are you kidding me?
We gotta do a roller coaster pumpkin
No,
smasher.
I'm gonna put your head on that post. I'm gonna take a swing and I'm gonna see what flies out, teeth or pumpkin seeds. Which one will we see?
Probably both. They're gonna kill us. Charlie's gonna kill us.
All right.
And you're right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Oh my. Sounds rather in here. Oh,
Do not be late to my class.
okay, I'm coming.
You're not be late.
Don't be late.
Oh, we're trying. He got me again. Oh, double tap. Okay, I'm really good at that.
Late to my class.
You listen here.
Time to learn.
What about skipping? He's freaking awesome. Ghost above us. Uh-oh, they're pointing at something. Oh, he's in trouble. He was late.
He was bad.
I go back to my desk now.
No, he's in trouble too.
I'm not gonna listen, but can I go back to my desk anyway? That's probably not a good idea. Oh.
Don't you see what happens when you don't behave?
Oh no. Oh God, there's two of them there. Oh! Who's gonna crush me?
No, the bookshelves are moving.
Yeah.
Moving.
Oh,
my.
ghost right there.
Oh, she don't look like she's doing too good. Oh, and there's her ghost over there.
I don't know if we should try to get her down or into this red basement. Oh. Sounds down here. Oh God, you have to rub up against them too. Uh-oh. Ew, there's something standing in the middle of the hall. Ew.
Oh my.
That don't look nice.
Don't look good at all.
Oh, and then it
Oh,
disappeared.
it disappeared.
Where'd it go?
Did you all leave those students alone?
No.
They teach it at this school.
That's why we're at school. Oh, the frickin' sounds. I know I've said that a lot, but ooh. Oh my, I hear something banging on the wall somewhere.
You didn't touch them, did you?
No.
They don't like to be touched, my legs. No.
They're dead. I don't know if they care. Holy crap.
Hey, you're talking to the rest of them. You gotta get out of here for that.
I don't think. Ooh, don't touch the bodies. They're gooey. Oh God, that poor thing. Oh, don't touch them. Shit. Oh, she was too.
Smile like mine.
Yeah, that's a jack-o'-lantern smile.
You're missing some skin. Oh, look at that guy. Wow. He is
That don't look good at all.
he is beyond repair.
No!
People,
Help me, please!
I can't.
Please help! Wait till you see what I've been working on.
Uh-oh.
Listen to the radio.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Oh.
Stop.
No, I can't.
Please!
I am not a
I
doctor.
can't take it anymore.
What did he do? Oh, there's another one.
Please!
There's another one. Okay, that's just wow.
Guts are hanging out.
Man, somebody likes to saw people in half here.
Man, a lot of
Oh,
people
these are creepy.
bloodied up.
Whoa.
Ooh, this is really cool. The
Yeah,
heads
it's
look like
creepy.
pumpkins. I love that.
I just don't really want to look like that. Oh, the fog is amazing. Whoa! See, it makes it hard to see freaking things coming at you. That is one strange. Go on! Whoa, it's hissing at me.
Oh God.
Woo!
Oh, it's
bugs.
bugs. Bugs everywhere.
Wow.
It's a lot of skulls.
Ooh, hi there.
Save thy soul from the descender.
The Descender?
No, oh shit!
Come out of there!
Wow! Double tap! Whoa! Wow! I want to just.
Thank you, I think.
Oh,
right,
what
what
is
is
that? Maybe is a clown. Don't trust it.
Hold on. The zombie carousel horse.
I don't know if I'm that excited because that looks kind of
It's
like
human
I'm gonna
cotton
die.
candy.
This is not normal cotton candy.
What's good?
There's a nut in there. Oh, okay. That one peeled its face off. Wow. Oh, it started. Oh. I don't think I'm hungry. Ew. Don't eat those. Don't eat those. That is disgusting. Holy crap. Well, look at that. Those are gross. Oh, there's even a tomato.
I wouldn't be much help. I'm not very big.
Oh, it is a freaking
I love
meat
this part.
pie.
Wading through the body.
Swimming through body parts.
Oh, God.
Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh no. Yeah! Shock him!
I'm cured! I'm cured!
You're charmed?
That's good.
I got a cure for you,
Oh, it
too!
smells. Holy moly! That is a really
Come
big.
alive. Oh, that one's still smoking.
I'm burning!
He's
Oh,
burning.
geez, that one's
He's in the
for
furnace.
sure.
Oh, it's another danger noodle.
Yeah, but that one took her in the ceiling.
Took her up in the ceiling. Oh, this is different. Don't trust the
I
lattice.
don't like that sound. Ew! Ew!
Oh, there's the
You
spider.
stay the F over there. Ah!
They're guarding the pumpkins.
It ain't guarding nothing.
So once you get out of the Dent Schoolhouse, don't forget to stop in here at the Monster Midway. They've got all kinds of escape rooms, photo, video ops. They have this jack-o'-lantern showcase where you can see all kinds of different custom carved pumpkins. And do not forget to stop by the concession stand and get you some donuts.
We're back in the donut shack here at the Dent Schoolhouse, and so you've seen kind of the classics, which was the caramel apple, which is a cinnamon donut, minced apples, and a bourbon caramel. And then, of course, the pumpkin spice, which is a cinnamon donut. We do a pumpkin pie sauce on top, and then some whipped cream and some pumpkin sparkles for fun. We then have the s'mores, which is a regular donut with some fluff on there, dark chocolate syrup, and graham cracker crumbles. We have the Buckeye, which of course all Ohioans love. It's a dark chocolate, a Reese's peanut butter sauce, and a mini Buckeye per donut. And then Zobo, of course, going classic, now bringing in the whole zoo. So he's got a white icing, sprinkles, and animal crackers to top.
Very nice.
It's hard not to gain a lot of weight down here, so I stay away from the donut shack, so enjoy.
And don't forget to check out the Haunted House Museum as well. There's all kinds of vintage posters and tickets and all kinds of awesome stuff in here. So they've got a pretty great merch booth as well. Of course, don't forget to come back in November and December for Lights Out and their Christmas event. All right, guys, well, that was it for the Dent Schoolhouse. If you want to check out their full review with ratings, check out our website, scarefactor.com. We're going to head on off to the next haunt. Hopefully, we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.